Hello guys, we are given a question Infosys analytics. So let's move on to the problem statement. Infosys analyzing the performance score of employees over a period of time where each employee score is recorded daily in a order of some order, and a decline performance sequence is defined as a sequence of scores where the sequence maintains the original order and each subsequent score is strictly less than the previous one. So our task is to determine the length of longest decline subsequence. So input format is first line contains an integer n represents the number of days, and second line contains the n subspace separated integers representing the performance scores. So constraint lies between n lies between the 1 and 10 raised to power 5, and score lies between the minus 10 raised to power 9 and 10 raised to power 9. So output format is we have to print a single integer where the length of longest which is the length of longest decreasing sequence, and so let's understand it by one input case. So we have given a days 5 and scores 94325. So here we can see the longest decreasing subsequences 4325, and let's keep in mind we have said we have to print the length of longest decreasing subsequence, not the sub array. So let's keep that in mind. And one more thing, they are saying to print the length of longest decreasing subsequence. They haven't mentioned the contiguous or non-contiguous. So uh, here we are assuming we will be printing the non-contiguous also. So what it differs. So if we are given 10, 9, 8, 7, let's say 11, 4, 11, 4 and 3. So here we can see the this is the subsequence, but which breaking at 11. I mean 11 is greater than all other numbers. So uh, if they mention contiguous, so here length of longest decreasing subsequence becomes the 4, but they haven't mentioned the contiguous. So we will skip that 11, take 4 and 3. So our output become 10, 4 to 6. So this is our output for this test case. So keep it in mind, we are assuming it as a non-contiguous subsequence. So let's solve this problem. So this type of problems can be solved by dynamic programming, and which is efficient method also. That's one of the efficient method, and here we can say we can use one more method of n log n solution, that we will be initiating the DP and uh, applying the binary search on it. So we will see that we will see that solution. So let's solve it first by DP. So let's take the input. We'll be taking the array list map input dot, dot split. So first we will be initiating the DP. T is equals to I mean the standard method to solve any DP problem is we will first initiate the DP state at t is equals to 0. So this is the standard method. We have initiated the DP array. Now we are traversing I through the n, and j through the I. Because basically assume we have took the two pointer, like first pointer is moving and second pointer is moving also, but first moves the I and behind that J also moving. So if here we are set by we have to we have to print the length of longest decreasing subsequence. So J should be greater than I. J should be greater than I. So if so, we will be printing our final DP state. So our final DP state becomes the DP of I, and taking the max of DP of I and DP of J plus 1, and we will be then printing the length of we will be printing, sorry, the max of DP. So this is our oh, for I in range, sorry, type mistake. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, we have passed the sample case. Now let's submit it. Okay, it passes the large test case also. So this is one of the proper standard DP solution um, we use for this type of problems, longest decreasing subsequence, and it is one of the important problem to while preparing any company, like any good companies, Fang or Infosys, Oracle also, they ask this type of problems in OAs or interviews. So I hope it is useful for you all. So thank you for watching this video.